promote biodiversity. This year's grand champion will be going home with 500,000 pesos worth of Samsung devices for their school, 100,000 pesos cash prize for the team members, 30,000 pesos for the teacher, and 500,000 pesos worth of Samsung phones and tablets